me and Kim Song and team, we are going to take a dip. At the same time, we are going to fly some drone over there. Let's have some shot.
Alright guys, let's go now.
Gob! Help me, Gob!
Let's jump!
He's making!
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move.
This is one of the advantage of this beach. You have a river, so if the fresh water, you can finish your bath, so you will be like no more sticky.
Bakas! Nag-iwan ng bakas. Ito yung simot ko.
If you like this video so far, please like and comment below, and subscribe to the channel would be awesome. Thank you. It is almost like 1:30. We are getting ready to get out from here. 5 hours drive, 5 hours enjoy the place, then again 5 hours drive back. I don't know which category I put this travel like this. Shot. Look at the view.
Camera niya. Gusto mo yun. Ikaw muna. Aris Gaboy.
Thank you for watching. Please like and comment below. And subscribe channel would be awesome. I'll see you guys next video soon. Thank you.